Namaste dear children. Welcome to Pari style poem. Today we are going to study the new lesson named, The Glimpses of the Past. Please write these meanings in the notebook. The glimpses of the past. Please write these meanings in the notebook. The glimpses of the past. Please write these meanings in the notebook. The first stanza introduces the mystery cat named Macavity. The first metaphor of comparing the cat with the hidden paw strikes our minds. The second comparison, metaphor, with the master criminal is also hyperbolic. It is told that he defies the law. He is also compared to an abstract thing named bafflement of Scotland Yard and the despair of the flying squad. Thus a small cat has been given a lot of importance. The comparison with such a majestic objects is really hyperbolic and tells us that the cat is not a simple one. It is said that the cat commits crime and disappears from the spot very soon. That's why they are problems for Scotland Yard and the flying squad. Fifth line has repetition of the same name of the cat, i.e. Macavity. This repetition has comparison also. It is with itself. Thus we came to know that there is no one like him. He has broken every human law. Not only human but also of the earth's law of gravitation is broken by the cat. The flying cat makes fakir, humans, stare and surprise. In the eighth line the same lines of disappearance of Macavity is reiterated. In the ninth line, the poet tells us that we can see the cat everywhere like basement and air, but in the next few lines he tells that Macavity is found where there is crime, though he is the main culprit. Purposefully he uses repetition to enhance the idea that the cat has superhuman qualities. Miraculously, he disappears from the scene. 13th line compares the cat with a ginger cat, a breed of cat. The poet tells that it is tall and thin. Then he goes on describing the cat. Macavity is tall and thin, it has sunken eyes, deep set/recessed, his brow is deeply lined with the thought of wickedness, his head is round. His coat is dusty as he neglects it because he is too busy in thinking about the destructive things. Same preoccupied nature of crime makes his whiskers are uncombed. While walking, he sways his head from side to side just like a snake, a powerful simile. And when we think that he's half asleep, he's always wide awake and never falls traps. Macavity's name is again taken 3 times and again he is compared to none other than himself. Again we are forced to imagine how great the cat had been. In 18th line the cat is compared with a fiend in feline, cat's family, shape and the monster of depravity. This metaphor is also suiting a lot as most of the immoral things are done by the cat. The poet reiterates that we may find him everywhere, but where the crimes have been committed by the cat, he will not found there. Thus the whole poem is full of hyperbole and metaphors. Figures of speech in the poem. Line 1. Metaphor. Synecdoche. Alliteration. Assonance. Line 2. Metaphor. Personification. Line 3. Metaphor. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. Line 4. Refrain. Assonance. Personification. Line 5. Repetition. Simile. Line 6. Repetition. Hyperbole. Personification. Line 7. hyperbole, personification. Line 8. Refrain. Assonance. Personification. Line 9. Refrain. Oxymoron. Hyperbole. Line 10. Repetition. Assonance. Line 11. Metaphor. Assonance. Line 12. Repetition. Assonance. Personification. Line 13. Repetition. Alliteration. Line 14. Repetition. Assonance. Line 15. Simile. Repetition. Alliteration. Line 16. Oxymoron. Personification. Consonants. V sound is repeated. Alliteration. Line 17. Repetition. Simile. Line 18. Metaphor. Alliteration. Line 19. Repetition. Alliteration. Line 20. Refrain. Personification. Assonance. Thank you for watching. I hope you got much clearer idea.